It looked like it's going in the right direction, that's all I can say.
The family of a murdered pregnant woman gets a bit of relief tonight after the court decides the suspended cop accused of killing her will stand trial.
Today, they heard a lot of difficult testimony, not just about Jenny, though, but about the baby as well. WNEM TV5's Liz Gilardi live in our continuous news center with more. Liz.
Sam and Katie, these past 2 days have been very difficult for the Webb family. They didn't know what to expect as they sat in the same room with the man charged with murdering their daughter.
I have the evidence that she was suffocated.
Jenny Webb's family sat in court as a medical examiner described how she was killed.
We've had good days and bad days. You know, some days go real good, other days you just, memories come flushing back in and it's just hard.
Family and friends wore shirts with her picture and an ultrasound image of the unborn baby she already named Braxton. Ken Bluew is charged with Webb's murder and assault on a pregnant woman causing the death of a fetus. In court, DNA evidence showed he was the father, but the tears really started flowing when the medical examiner talked about the baby.
We call it a viable baby. It means that if baby was delivered, it could have been alive on its own.
Testimony that was hard to hear for Webb's family. Her dad told me he was surprised by the amount of evidence presented in court, including the DNA results.
I mean, right there, that's, how can you argue that? That's pretty positive, so I don't know where he's got any argument whatsoever, but obviously he's arguing it, so we just have to wait and see what happens.
Bluew's attorney also filed this motion. He wanted to get his client out of jail while he awaits trial, but the judge did not allow that and sent Bluew back to the Gratiot County Jail. Reporting live and local in the Continuous News Center, Liz Gilardi, WNEM TV5.
All right, Liz, thank you. And an expert also testified Bluew's DNA was found on Webb's bra and in her car. Make sure you count on WNEM TV5 for complete coverage of the Ken Bluew trial. We'll pass along the very latest details as they do come into our newsroom.